Well, welcome back. A brand new startup looking to shake up the $60 billion beauty industry with miniature-sized cosmetics. They've just raised $1.5 million in funding. It's all of your normal cosmetics, just mini. So you can take them everywhere, and you won't have to worry about the products going bad before you're actually done using them, because things do expire. Joining me right now are co-founders of Stowaway Cosmetics, Chelsa, Crowley, and Julie Fredrickson. Ladies, good to have you on the program.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much for joining us. And during the commercial break, I said, so tell me why this is so great. It's a very crowded field, a lot of makeup companies out there. How are you going to stand out with Stowaway?
So I think for us, Stowaway is right-sized cosmetics. It's very difficult to actually finish cosmetics in their current form. The standard in the industry is really bulk, and we think that this is makeup that you will love in sizes you can carry and finish.
And when you say finish, what is the normal expiration of certain cosmetics?
They range. So expiration dates can range from anywhere from 6 months to 36 months.
And people don't realize that. They have the same stuff in their cabinet for years.
Exactly.
So what did you bring? This is just one kit?
So, yes, this is what our first collection is going to be. We have 4 shades of BB and concealer, some pot rouges, lipsticks, mascara, and eyeliners. So we started with the essentials, and then obviously a lot more up our sleeves.
Why is this, or is this different than other cosmetics that are on the market right now? I mean, there's a whole host from, Bobbi Brown to MAC to umpteen others. What do we find in this product that perhaps could be different?
Sure. So I think what's important to understand about us is that by selling in a more compact size, we're actually shaking up some of what is considered normal or standard in the cosmetics industry. So makeup brands actually can't afford to reliably retail these sizes because they're always selling through their retail channel partners, whereas we sell direct to consumer on Stowaway Cosmetics. So we don't need to have the same markup and margin structure, which allows us to sell products that other brands actually can't afford to sell.
That's very interesting. So you're doing direct. It's stowaway.com?
It's stowawaycosmetics.com.
Stowawaycosmetics.com is where you can buy them direct. You're not in any stores?
Not in any stores.
What are you seeing so far from the early going? And what are you going to do with this new money that you just raised?
Sure. So we've been just overwhelmed by the interest by consumers. I think we knew we were onto something special with our girlfriends, but really watching the first couple of days of sales coming in, it's really filling a market need that no one else has been willing to fill. And because of our direct-to-consumer model, we are able to actually meet the needs of women who are on the move. Our lives have changed dramatically since the 50s, and cosmetic standards haven't. So we're changing with women.
You're co-founders. Tell me your background, Chelsa.
My background, I actually started my career as a makeup artist before going in-house with Clinique brands, doing education work. I was at Bobbi Brown for a stint doing more editorial work. So we always joke that we're the yin to each other's yang because we're completely opposites.
Yeah, it's true. My background is very much in the e-commerce space, and I was also a brand manager at Ann Taylor. So a lot of experience selling to the kind of women that we're really hoping to reach with Stowaway Cosmetics.
And why did you choose makeup, cosmetics? What did you see in that area that allowed you to shift?
Sure.
Just frustration.
Yeah. Well, and I think it's a really interesting and lucrative market. It's very large, and cosmetics is one of the few billion-dollar industries that hasn't been disrupted by technology yet. So I think for us, it's about also the quality product, but understanding that the cosmetics industry needs to change. It needs to adopt new mentalities and new times. And I think the direct-to-consumer model is going to be very interesting and impactful on the industry.
What do you do with this first round of money that you just raised?
Well, obviously a lot of it goes into the product.
The product is quite expensive to make. So, when we went out to raise the capital, it was we kind of thought of ourselves as, we have the prototype, we need to put it now into production. So, hiring a team.
Yeah. Well, and also knowing that direct-to-consumer means that we have to sell the best possible products directly to people, and making sure that we have not only the product but the experience that makes sense for the kind of women that I think will enjoy our product.
Ladies, it looks great. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Chelsa Crowley and Julie Fredrickson, and stowawaycosmetics.com is where to get the product. Thank you so much, girls.